Number 5. Everlast PowerMPS 251C. Digital IGBT inverter construction, MIG/DC TIG/stick/spool gun ready. Pulse MIG/SYN MIG/pulse TIG function, adjustable MIG/stick arc force. Dual voltage 120/240ths of a volt. HF and lift start for TIG, dual voltage 120/240ths of a volt. 25 series Euro fast connect MIG gun. 030-045 wire diameter, 35% duty cycle at 250 amps, save up to 9 programs. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Lincoln K2185. Great value for money. Durable design with solid mechanisms. Welds both MIG and flux cord. Offers basic safety features. Easy to use interface and the available indoor chart that helps to select settings. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Forney Easy Weld 261. All metal case, can handle 2 and 10 pound rolls of wire. Easy to transport, only 19 pounds. Integrated cable wrap. Easily control wire speed with foot pedal. Can be used for mild steel. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Hobart 500,559 handler 140. 5-position voltage control selector adds a smooth, stable arc at all welding thicknesses. Welds 24 gauge up to 1/4 in mild steel, weldable materials, steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Welding processes, MIG GMA, flux cord FGA. Operates off 115 volts standard household current, wire feed speed range 40 to 700 IPM, 50 to 740 IPM at no load. Welding amperage range, 25 to 140 A, 20% duty cycle at 90 amps, 19 volts. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Weld Pro 200. MIG torch, 10 feet ergoplus 15. Dig torch, 13 feet WP17. Electrode holder, 5 Aux 10-foot cable 3550 quick connector 200A. D-shape earth clamp, 5 Aux 10-foot cable 3550 quick connector 300A. Gas hose, power adapter, flow meter. Please check the description for details and best price.